Hey guys, this is Aaron with Done Technology Services, and this is a tutorial on how to install and use Xargs for Windows. First off, I just want to say this was created in batch and it is native to Windows, so you may use it freely even in commercial distribution, but there is no support for this tool, so use it at your own discretion. So this tool was actually created by me and it wasn't too hard to make. If you want to go ahead and download it, the link will be in the description, but I'm actually going to show you how to get there right now. So first, go to your browser, and we're going to go to GitHub. And at the very top, you can search for Xargs for Windows. Right here, here's my GitHub, is Aaronator10. Again, link is in the description. And here it is. So you just hit clone or download with this big green button, and hit download zip. Now, I already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. So once it's been downloaded, go on over to your downloads, and here it's going to be, or wherever you have your downloads folder at. And then once you have it, right-click on it, hit extract here. And then go inside the folder, and here it is. You don't need to worry about anything else except for xargs.bat. And it's real simple to install. What you're going to do is just copy this, then go into your Windows folder, and you can paste it right here. So C Documents Windows right here, or you can also paste it in System32. Now there's also further instructions on GitHub. You can honestly paste it to wherever your path folder is, but if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. Just paste it here and you'll be fine. Now I already have it installed, so we'll go ahead and example of how it works. So let's go ahead and open a command prompt and test it out. So basic example, if we were to do, let's say, echo that address and pipe the output into the standard input of ping, it's not going to work. It's just going to keep saying you need to enter some arguments. But if we use Xargs, boom, now it's pinging. And as we know, if we ping the address like this, ping will accept it just like that, but it's doing the exact same thing as it normally should. Cool, right? And we could actually add extra arguments in there. So for example, if we just want to ping once, it still works without any issues. The / is the Windows way, but I would say the more widely accepted way is to use the -n. So does it work with a file? Let's give it a try. So if we were to more file.txt and pipe the output, normally we would just read it. So we see that. And if we try to redirect the output or pipe the output of more into echo, by default in Windows, it's not going to work. Echo is just going to show blank, and we lost all that output. But if we use Xargs, because echo requires, the echo command requires arguments, and boom, it's taking the standard output of the more command, reading that file, and piping the output into Xargs, and Xargs is converting the standard output into an argument for echo, just like it did with the ping command. So hopefully you enjoyed this simple tutorial on how to download, install, and start using Xargs in your Windows environment. It is a basic version of Xargs that I created, nothing too crazy. If there is any missing advanced features of Xargs in there, I may add it later, but it's just a basic implementation of Xargs, but hopefully you get to enjoy it and use it in your everyday Windows CLI. Thank you everyone for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and thanks.